So it's a really old kit, and man, I'm telling you, good morning and happy Monday. Well, wow, what a weekend. I spent the entire weekend with an amazing group of people. It was the charity for Models for Heroes. It's the birthday bash, and it's a global online building deal where you build a 48th scale model and in 48 hours, and it goes to charity. It goes to the Models for Heroes charity. It's a UK based charity for veterans and first responders, and it's to get them model kits and supplies and even a community to build in. It's a real positive thing for those folks. And being a vet, I have to do it every year. It's an annual event. So I built this. I didn't quite finish it. I didn't get to. I only got painted, decals, and then clear coat, and now it's ready for weathering. I did get my base built. I'm really super happy with my base. It's supposed to be mainland China, late 1930s, before U.S.'s entry into World War II. And so once I get this thing all painted up, I'll be real happy. It's close. I haven't touched the canopy yet, but I'm getting close. So, but this is at the end of 48 hours. This is what I got done, and so that's why I wanted to take this. So I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you're interested in this kind of thing, please go check out the 48-48 org. That is where models and time and supplies are given to first responders, military veterans in the UK. It's a UK-based organization. We're trying to get it in the US, but it's a wonderful thing, and I got to tell you, it's making a big difference for a lot of vets and first responders out there. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to do a little bit of work on this probably today, but then I'm going to get right back to my regular scheduled diorama building. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We'll see ya.